Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will discuss about C input and output function. Okay, so first of all, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Okay, so in C language, to text input and display output over the screen, we have few predefined files. Yes, you can see we have a standard input file. Uh, Pointer is std in, and we can text input from the keyboard, and there is a standard output file, pointer is std out, and you can display output over the screen. And there is another file, standard error file, stder. By using this file you can handle the error. Now let's see how to take input and output in C language. Now we have getchar function and putchar function to take input and output in C language. By using getchar function you can take single character at a time, single character as a input. Okay, only single character you can take input, and to display that single character you have to use putchar function. Now let's see the use of getchar and putchar function. Just keep in mind, by using getchar function you can take single character, and putchar function you can display only single character over the screen. Now let's see the program of getchar and putchar function. Now we have a header file has include stdio.h and main function int main. Now just keep in mind, getchar function takes single character at a time, but it returns integer. Okay, but return what? Integer. That's why I have taken integer variable int c. Now I have a printf function. I have written enter a value. This is the message I have to display, enter a value. Now I have to take single character as an input, so I have written getchar. But just keep in mind, getchar function return integer. That's why I have written c. C is what? Integer data type. Whatever you will be write, it will assign into integer variable. Now you have to display by using putchar. So you will write you entered putchar. Okay, putchar function gets a one parameter value c, it is integer value, so putchar function convert into character. Okay, and you will see the output whatever you have entered. Now return 0, there is nothing, because int main function has return type what? Int. That's why you have written 0. Now get as and put as function, these are another input and output function. Get as input and put as is output. But in getchar and putchar you can only take single character and only display single character. But use of get as and put as, you can take a string, you can take a line of character, you can take a string of character. Okay, so you can use this function. Now let's see the use of this get as and put as function has include stdio.h. Now main function int main. Now you are going to define that function. You have taken char str100. This is what? Array, character type of array. As we know that there is no predefined string data type in C. That's why suppose you have to store string, then you have to take character array. Because I have taken what? Char str100, it means what? You can contain 100 character. Now you are going to take input from the user, so you will write printf to display the message. Now get as function will take the input from the user, but keep in mind get as function text parameter as a character array name. Now getS is what? String function. Str is a array name, so it can take 100 of character as a input. But keep in mind, the last character index value will assign by compiler, that will be null character. Okay, so getS function takes input, but getchar function only take single character, while getS function can take string of character. Okay, this is the difference. Now you have to display that value whatever you have taken in getS function. So you will write entered. You entered what? Put s is what? Display function. So you have to write array name put s str, whatever you have entered in getS function, that will be display by put s. Now return 0. Now this is another input and output function, scanf and printf. Okay, this is more specific function. In scanf function you can specify which kind of input you are going to take. Suppose you are going to take integer, then you will write format specify %d. Suppose you are going to take character, then you will specify %c. Okay, Suppose you are going to take float, then then you have to specify %f. So in this way you can assign format also. In similar way, you have to display the input, then you will use printf function. In printf function you have specify format specifier also. Now let's see the example. Has include stdio.h int main function. You have character array str100. Okay, this is character array and array size is 100. You have taken integer value I, and now you are going to use of printf function. As you can see, enter a value whatever you will write in double quotation mark, that will be display over the screen as it is. Now you are going to take input by using scanf function. You have written percent as this format specifier. It is specifying that you are going to take string variable as a string data as an input. Now percent is specifying that you are going to take integer value as an input. Okay, now you can take two input. One input is string and second one is integer. Okay, so str is array name, so no need to write address of operator, but in case of integer you have to write address of I because it is input. Okay, now whatever you have entered in scanf, that will be displayed in that by using this function. You entered what percent s and percent d. This is format specifier because first value is string, that's why you have to write percent s. Second one is integer, that's why you have to write percent d. Okay, in this way you can display the value. Now return 0 is what function return type. Int return int, main is integer, that's why return will be 0. So in this way you can use input and output function in C language. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt in C language, you can write into comment box. uh, and I already made few more videos related to C, just like C simple programs, C operators, arithmetic, logical, relational, C bitwise operator. Okay, and apart from this there is a few conditional statement also, looping statements and pointers. Everything is I have made in my video, so you can go through that video and you can understand the concept of C. Okay, so please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Okay, thank you for watching this video.